Oh Lord. Oh, somebody give me some water. Get some water. Get some water. Get some water. This water stat. Cold blue. Sorry about that. Hey folks, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be showcasing Miss Thing. Get into her. Yes. Yeah. New here, my name is Vageline. Welcome. We do everything here synthetically fun, but if you've been here and you already know what we're about to do, come on, let's get into who's that girl. You can watch me put her all the way together, and I will go about giving you all her sneaky details, and I will go about giving you all her details. Okay, because for some odd reason I can't say sneaky deaky. I don't know what's going on. Today is not a good day. Oh, folks, Jesus. Come on. Let's go and get into this video. Let's go. Alright folks, so let's go ahead and get into Miss Thing. So this is another BareLace Lace collection from Sensational. She is a Y-Part wig, and her name is CASIA. And I got her in the color Secret Highlight Ginger. Now I'm going to go and read you her specs. She has a thinner, lighter lace for more transparent melting on the skin kind of vibe. She is a wide pre-pluck lace area with 5-inch deep parting space, clean hairline with baby hairs for natural look. She has a breathable mesh cap with wig band and silicone lining for secure glueless install. She's 20% larger grid pattern, 40% thinner lace design, shows more skin compared to genetic lace, stronger reinforced tear resistant lace fiber. And she is heat safe up to 340 degrees Fahrenheit, 100% premium fiber hair. Ain't no kalankaline in this one, child. And she comes in a bunch of different colors, like, of course, Secret Highlight Berries, Butterfly Blonde, Chestnut, Ginger, Golden Walnut, Light Ash Brown, Platinum, and all that jazz. So this is the hair straight out the box. The only issue I honestly have with this is like the highlights. Is like, I thought she was going to be on the hair, and she was actually like a secret. And I'll show you what I mean later on in this video, but this is what the hair is looking like straight out the box. The curl pattern is amazing. Of course, I'm a stickler for my 11Bs. Now my girl has the 2 combs on the side, one on the back, of course, and an adjustable elastic band. And I already told you that her cap is a breathable cap construction. That is the Y-Part lace, as you can see. It looks like a straight Y. So this is what Miss Thing is looking like when I first popped her on. I'm not gonna lie, she was super duper tight, and I had my hair braided down pretty good. So this is a tight fit if you have a big dome like me. Well, more dome in the front than the back. This is what her hairline is giving in the front. She says she's already pre-plucked. With curly units, it's kind of hard to see those or see that because it's curly, but you can go in and pluck. I did not, because again, with curly units, you go about plucking, you better know how to put them curls back, and I'm not about to do that with this wig. So I did no plucking at all, no customization. I just went about cutting the lace, gluing her down, and styling her to my liking. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. I'm gonna fast forward this video so you can see exactly what I did, and then come back and let you know how I feel about this unit from Sensational. All right guys, let's go. All right, now that I'm almost done putting her all the way together, let me just go ahead and give you my opinions on this wig. So first of all, I'm going to get into the cons. She's not big head friendly at all. The secret highlights are literally a secret, and yeah, I wasn't too happy about that. And she is a lot of hair. I haven't had to deal with a big wig like this in a long time, so it was kind of overwhelming. But other than that, baby girl is cute, okay? I can't remember where I got her from. It's either Wig Types or samsbeauty.com because those are my go-to spots. So she's about $35 with tax and everything, under like 40. So that's a plus. The Y shape lace in the front gives you enough space to pluck, but again, she's a curly wig, so once you start plucking, you start interrupting the curl pattern, and I was not about to do that. But my girl is giving looks, she's giving style, she's giving big, she's giving voluptuous, she is giving. I just wish that the secret highlights weren't really hidden and was actually throughout the hair. But other than that, she is a gorgeous wig. Like, she melted good, and you can definitely wear her glueless because she is tight. Real tight. She might end up giving you a headache at the end of the day, but that's for my big dome girls. Anyway, would I buy her again? I think she might be the only one in my collection, but again, she's cute. She's a staple wig. Everybody should have a curly unit like this one in their collection. Where would I wear her to? Baby, summertime is right around the corner. She is a perfect festival, concert, picnic, backyard, party, barbecues, museums, events after events type of wig. Like, you literally just slap her on and keep it moving. Blend her really well and you're good to go. Like, again, the only issue I have with her is the fact that she is tight in the front, and the highlights are just not everywhere. But she is a cute wig. Like, she's adorable. I didn't get no shedding or no tangles because I did not comb her out, so that's that. Now, if you like what you see in this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a baddie like this one. And baby, for the price, the style, the color, the look, she bad. You will go ahead and get notified. All right, folks. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.